G'day everyone, hope all's well with you, and today is Pharmacy Friday, and we are going to be opening up a Fairfield football collector's S box. 1 in 4 contain a hit. Look for randomly sorted cards, pack, parallels, autographs, and more. And the glue on this one, I noticed, was already starting to tear, so. But for those who don't know, much easier to go from the bottom. Please tell me it's an order. Yes, it's a Notre Dame pack. It's an empty box. Tossed away. There's a rookie card, Shabby Piscatelli. A Saban Young rookie card. Slavin. There's a Heinz Ward. Name out of the past. Alright, now for the good stuff. Tim McGee. Hall of Famer Bruce Smith. All-time sacks leader, baby. Willie Flipper Anderson. Rena Thompson. Got a Brad Benson. Must be a Giants box here. Wild card of Ronnie Williams. Now, in case you don't know, the old school wild card looks like this. They have a different one. It also says wild and everything, but this is the World League wild card. So this actually isn't the NFL version. This is the San Antonio Riders from the World League. Got a Kevin Martin. Got a Mark Carrier from John Stevens. Got Gary Zimmerman. Got a checklist. That's Flair 92-1. There's Drew Hill, not the group. A Philadelphia Eagles team card. Hunter Long. Good rookies here. Shane Simpson, Quentin Morris, Jordan Smith, Sam Mangler, Michael Carter. Kalen Hill, and Amon-Ra St. Brown. So far, there's only that Bruce Smith over there. Let's see if we can get a Joe Montana out of this. Or Tim Brown, or the Brown ball. Hey! There it is right there. Called the shot again, guys. Called the shot again. We got a Chuck Sweeney. Notre Dame and Army 0-0. Notre Dame 18 over Ohio State 13. Notre Dame beats Army 1913. Chicha. Tom Regner. Terry Hanratty. Robert Rocky Bellier. And there he is. The greatest quarterback of all time. Joe Montana. We finally got a Joe Montana card. So you got arguably your best defensive lineman in the history. He's the only person that has 200 sacks, or over 200 sacks. He's the only person that has over 200 sacks, and he's the only person that have 200 sacks. Nobody else has that. And then the man, you know, I'm a Raiders fan, but even I can say, I have to say that Montana's the greatest because he didn't have to cheat. So, undefeated in the Super Bowls too. So, alright everybody, like the video. Helps it out a lot. Comment down below what your favorite card was. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's very much appreciated. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Make sure your notification bell is set to all. That way you get all notifications when I put out new content. And I will talk to you later.